100% हर घर जल हे जल जीवन मिशन पुराय केल्या उपरांत गोंयकारांक 24 वरां उदका पुरवण दिवपा खातीर सरकार 85 MLD आनी 165 MLD प्रकल्प सुरू करतले अशी माहिती भौशीक बांदकाम खात्याचो मंत्री निलेश काब्रालान दिल्या। तशेंच गोंयांत उणाव आशिल्ल्या गटार लायनीच्या प्रस्नांचो बेगोबेग सुटावो करपाचें आस्वासन मंत्र्यान ह्या वेळार दिलें। मजगतीं ह्या सगळ्या प्रकल्पा खातीर सरकाराक जमनीची गरज लागतली अशें काब्राल सांगता।
Today, sir, we have already initiated almost another 85 MLD new water treatment plants we are going to commission shortly. We intend to start another 165 MLD plants shortly to achieve the target by Honorable Chief Minister, where 24 hours water supply is going to be part of our system to be given. We have also been helped by the Honorable Minister, Honorable Prime Minister in achieving laboratory testing facilities in the entire state of Goa. And it is proud to say that almost all, maybe one or two are remaining, but all are NABL accredited. And that is what I think we should all try to say, where the people of Goa can take the water sample and go directly to the laboratory at no cost and do the sample to get an assurance. Honorable Chief Minister's idea is to see that, like how we have in countries abroad, where a person just operates the tap and drinks water. This is what the state wants to do, to see that the water taken from the tap can be drunk directly without any other system, and that is what our next target is.